What is the crux of the matter? What is the crux of the matter? It's too windy today. That's the crux of the matter. Guys, I'm trying to hide behind these houses to shield myself from the wind. Do you know what that means, crux? The word crux means like the central issue, the central thing in a problem or in an issue or a matter or an argument. Okay, like let's say your wife is arguing with you. You know, for a few days your wife has just been argumentative. Okay, you could ask your wife, what's going on? What is the crux of the issue? What's the crux of the matter? Guys, it's so windy out here. I don't know where to go to shield myself from the wind. Can you even hear my voice? Maybe I'll walk this way. Okay, I'll try to hide behind these houses here. So if you ask your wife that question, what is the crux of the matter? You're asking, what is the main issue here? Okay, and she might say, it's because you forgot our anniversary. Right? So that's the main thing. Maybe she's complaining about, that maybe you loaded the dishwasher the wrong way. But maybe that's not the main issue. That's the reason she's complaining about those kinds of things, is because you forgot your anniversary. Okay? So that's the crux of the matter. All right? I'll give you another example. Okay, let's say a country has a lot of problems. Okay, and you kind of want to find what is the main problem here. You could say the crux of the problem is corruption. Okay, the crux of the issue is corruption in the government. That's the main issue. Okay, so we use this term, crux of the matter, when something is maybe a little bit confusing and it's a bit hard to understand what the real issue is. So you can say the crux of the matter is our debt. Okay, our country's debt. So let's say the country has a lot of problems. All right, this problem and that problem. What's the main problem? The main problem, the crux of the matter, is debt. Okay, that's the crux of the matter. So give me an example, guys, down in the comments. What is the crux of the matter? If you think about a problem, a specific problem or something that's hard to understand, what's the main thing? So we can say crux of the issue, crux of the matter, crux of the argument, crux of the problem. Okay? Now, sometimes you might understand the crux of the issue, but you don't understand, the surrounding issues, like the minor points. Okay? So you could say, look, I understand the crux of the matter, but all these suggestions that you're giving, I don't understand how those suggestions relate to the main problem. Okay, so in this case, like let's say the country's main problem is corruption. Okay, and some people in your government, let's say you are the prime minister of your country, you're the president of the country, and some of your ministers are suggesting this and that and you're like, what how do these suggestions address the crux of the issue? Okay, you could say, I understand the crux of the matter, but your suggestions don't line up. I'm not seeing how your suggestions line up with the crux of the matter. Okay, so guys, give me some examples. Usually, like I said, we use this when something is not really obvious, or maybe when there's 2 or 3 possibilities of what the problem could be, and we're trying to identify the main one, the central issue. Okay, anyway guys, just gonna walk down to the canal, give you one last shot of the canal here before I sign off. So let me know your thoughts, and give me an example of the crux of the matter. What is the crux? Tell me one problem you have. Well, just about slipped, guys. Tell me one problem that you have, and what the real crux of the issue is. All right, so anyway guys, I love you so much. Hope you're doing great today. Hope you're staying safe, healthy, and happy. Enjoy some sun today, and I'll see you over in the next episode of Mad English TV. Take care.